Hello everyone, this is a Mercedes E-class AMG Premium. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off the beep sound when you lock the car. It's called acoustic lock. First you need to go home, scroll right until you reach vehicle and click this button on the steering. Scroll down until you go to vehicle setting and scroll down, you'll see acoustic lock. You go more down, that's how you get acoustic lock. If you turn it off, it will still lock the car but it won't make beep sound, and if you turn it on, it will make beep sound. So that's how you do it on Mercedes E-class AMG 2019 model. Thanks for watching, guys.